Hello learners, welcome to another lecture of GE 210 Marketing Institutions and Organization. So today the institution or marketing organization which we are going to discuss is APEDA. APEDA stands for Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. Okay, so the major purpose of APEDA is export promotion, and it deals with export and import of agricultural and food products. Okay, so we'll discuss about APEDA in detail. So APEDA, the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, was established by the Government of India under the Agricultural Processed Food Products Export Development Authority Act, which was passed in Parliament in the year 1985 in the month December. Okay, even though that was passed in the year 85, the act came into establishment, or APEDA came into existence from the year 86. Okay, and it came into effect from 13th February 86, and the headquarters of APEDA is situated in New Delhi, and the current chairman and managing director is Dr. M. Anagamuthu IAS. Okay, so APEDA, as we said, APEDA is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. It was established by the Government of India under the Parliament Act. In the Parliament Act and under the Act of 85, and came into establishment, or came into existence from 13th February 86, and it falls under the Ministry of Commerce. Okay, and the authority replaced the Processed Food Export Promotion Council. Like earlier, till 86, the authority which takes part in export promotion was Processed Food Export Promotion Council, that is PFEPC. Okay, now that have been replaced by APEDA. The next is APEDA went about achieving these by identifying a new market and provide better support system throughout the exporter, manufacturer, and also introducing new product in the international and national level. So APEDA deals with achieving by identifying the new markets, new market opportunities, also provide better support system through export, import, manufacturing for the national and international products. Also, APEDA is built link between, like, why APEDA is there and how what does it perform. It builds a link between Indian producers and global market. It helps to link the Indian producers, whether it be a food producer, an agriculture producer, or whatever be the kind of producer. It links the global consumers, like global market. So it helps in linking between the Indian producers with the global market. Next, the responsibility of APEDA is export promotion. That is a major responsibility, a major role, or the major objective of APEDA is export promotion. So the main responsibility of APEDA is export promotion of the items like fruits, vegetables, the products, value-added products which are made from fruits, vegetables, like jams, jelly, squash, and all, meat and meat-related products, the frozen and fresh products, poultry and poultry products, dairy products, confectionaries, biscuits, bakery, honey, jaggery, sugar products. Other than that, the cocoa and other chocolate products, alcohol and non-alcoholic beverages, cereal products, groundnuts, peanuts, walnuts, all the pulses, pickles, papads, chutney, or the floriculture products, herbal and medicinal items. Like, it deals with all agriculture and food related items which are produced, which can be exported. So the major objectives, looking into the objectives of APEDA, like what are the major objectives of this marketing institution? Since APEDA is a nodal agency at the national level, what are the major objectives, or what are the major responsibilities to be performed by APEDA? First point is to maximize foreign exchange earnings through increased agro export for providing higher incomes to the farmer through higher unit value realization. So what does it mean? To maximize the foreign exchange, since APEDA deals in linking with the Indian producer with the global market, this export promotion is a major source of foreign exchange or foreign income. So the next objective is to create employment opportunities in rural areas by encouraging value-added export of farm products. So it also provides aims to create employment opportunities in the rural areas by encouraging the production of value added processed food products. Also to implement scheme for providing financial assistance to improve post harvest facilities to boost their as we said, export promotion is a major responsibility of APEDA. Next objective is to develop Indian agro products weak in the global competition, like to make stand Indian products to meet the global competition. So that is again a major objective of APEDA, to provide all the technical and financial support, or the kind of support to be provided to the Indian agro producers, by which they can stand up in the global competition. Now next we will discuss the major functions of APEDA. What are the major functions to be performed by APEDA? So the first function is development of database on products basis, like what are the agriculture produce or food products available or produced in the Indian by the Indian growers or producers. That database have to be collected and that have to be maintained. Second, publicity and information dissemination. So once the data is maintained, then the information related to production and export have to be disseminated, have to be distributed to the public. Next is organizing a product promotion and visits of official and trade delegation, have to visit the other countries in which export opportunities have to be found out, and to find a better market place for the Indian producers. Next, participation in international fair in India and abroad, organization of buyer-seller meets and other business interactions like melas and other things. Information dissemination through APEDA newsletter, book series and library. Next, invited official or business delegation from abroad. Also, distribution of APEDA awards, provide recommendation and other support services in the trade agency, problem solving in government agency organizations, RBI, customs, import, export. Like if there is certain problems to be dealt with any of the government agencies like RBI, customs, import, export, producer, like whatever be the kind of problem that have to be solved. And also provide recommendations and suggestions, also support services in the trading or to the all trading agencies. Financial assistance to tap the vast export potential. Next, also to undertake a marketing survey for the penetration of the product ranges in the new market. To enter into the new market, we should know what is happening in the market and what are the products existing, and whether our product which we are producing is having a market opportunity. So all these things have to be done by APEDA. The other functions include collection of statistics from owners of factories or establishments engaged in the production, processing, packaging, marketing or export of scheduled products, and publication of statistics. So as we said in the objectives, collection of database is one among the objective. Same like that, the other function is also the collecting the database and maintaining the statistics. For the future references, training in various aspects of the industries connected with the scheduled products, like what are the listed products which we produce in our Indian market that have to be, for that implementation of new technologies or adapting the new technologies have to be done. So training programs for these various aspects also have to be given. Improving of packages of scheduled products, improving the market of schedule, improving the package, marketing, training, collection of the statistical data, like all these things are, like all these activities are the major functions of APEDA. So by which this concept of APEDA is done. So you have to, like everyone have to go through what are the major functions, what are the objectives and products which are dealt with APEDA. Like in the export promotion, what are the major products, food and agriculture related products with which APEDA is dealing with. So this is all for today. Thank you.